Today we're going to show you some features on the iPhone 16 Pro. This is going to be iOS 18 and I'm going to show you some simple tricks on the iPhone 16 Pro. And so let's get started. This is a brand new channel. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to give you a lot of good information. And this is just an iPhone YouTube channel, okay? I have a lot of Samsung channel. This is going to be my first iPhone channel. So stay tuned for more nice videos, all right? So today I got this iPhone 16 Pro. And right now we're going to talk about this camera button right here. When you tap it, you know it will activate a camera right away. Did you know that if you actually just hold the button like this, it will actually start recording? If you let it go, the recording will stop, all right? So make sure that if you just want to record right away, make sure you just hold the button on the side, then it will start recording. Now we're going to talk about the outside. On the iOS 18, you can actually customize your home page. So now we're going to customize the theme first. All you have to do is, if you see any space right here, you just hold this, and then you go to the edit. When you press edit, there's like this thing called customize. When you press that, you can see there's few options at the below. You can actually change your color anything you want, or you can actually change the icon large or small. When you go to tint right at the last corner, you can actually change your color whatever you want. You can change it to very blue, or you can change it to really white, okay? Depends on your color, okay? So you can change anything you want, or you can just go back to light, dark, automatic according to the sunset, and then that's it. Now this is your front page color, right? So now let's just go on the side right here. This is the widget on the iPhone. Did you know that if you just hold this, you can actually change the size of your widget? Right here, you can see you can actually change a bigger size. Now if you want, you can actually change even bigger size. By just tapping this, now it expands to this location, okay? Same as this one, I can change to like this and make it so big. But iPhone, they will automatically adjust the size on the widget. So it will not clutter, it will look very smooth and very clean. Let's just say right now, I want this very tiny. You just hold this and press this button right here. And now it's super tiny at the corner right there. Now, let's just say if you have any widgets here, you want to lock it, you don't want anyone to access that little icon or the app, you can actually press this, and then they said that require Face ID. So when you press this, anytime that anyone want to access that icon right there or that app, they cannot go into the app until they have the Face ID. So you just need to press that, okay? And then they need your Face ID in order to unlock it. So in order to close this, you just need to hold it and then say remove. Yes, require. So in order to unlock this, you can see I need my Face ID. And then if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So now if you want to remove the Face ID, you don't need this anymore. Just hold it and say don't require Face ID. And then they just need to verify your face, and then that's it. You don't need Face ID to unlock that icon, all right? So let's just say if you have a certain app that you want to go, you can actually just hold it. Hold on. It's just like this is an icon. You can actually press and hold this, and then you can just say selfie, and then you can do selfie right away. Very simple. However, on the side right here, this action button, you can actually add other camera options. So in order to do that, you need to go into the setting, okay? And then you need to go all the way to action button right here. When you go to the action button, you can customize anything you want. Let's just say you're you're in need of cameras, okay? You got one camera right here. You got one camera on your lock screen. You can see that there's a camera right there on the lock screen. And then you need a third camera right here. No problem. All we can do is we can go to the setting and set camera, but because you don't want to duplicate the one on the side, you can actually set it to selfie, videos, portraits, anything you want. Okay. So basically you just need to choose one of them. So basically you just need to choose one of them. Okay. And then let's just say you want video. Okay. Now every time when you touch this button right there, it will turn to video. So you just need to hold it, and now the video will be on, just like that. And so now this is video. Now this is a camera, and then at the front will be, on the lock screen, will be trigger a camera as well too. Just like that. Very simple. Okay. So in order to do that, you just need to go to the action button and then just set it up. Very, very simple. So I hope these features will help you. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. And this is a One UI. This is a iOS 18, iPhone 16 Pro. And stay tuned for more videos. And thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.